The World Economic Forum has identified 6 cutting-edge technologies that are playing a mission-critical role in global climate adaptation. Guess what we'll talk about today? I'm Kata, welcome to Net Zero Tech. I think the technology is already here. Yes, there are new technologies like AI, drones, advanced computing, VR, AR, and they can assist. But I wouldn't overestimate their impact. It's like asking how the internet affects climate adaptation. Climate change is a reality we face, and adapting to its effects is crucial. The key to successful adaptation is understanding the climate risks we face, measuring them accurately, and managing them effectively. The World Economic Forum's report, Innovation and Adaptation in the Climate Crisis, Technology for New Normal, highlights 6 technologies that are crucial in this mission. These technologies are driving climate adaptation by strengthening risk analytics, improving supply chains, aiding emergency responses, and powering research and development. Let's take a closer look at each of these technologies. Number 1, artificial intelligence for climate adaptation. AI is revolutionizing how we understand and respond to climate change, developing sophisticated and precise weather and climate models. For instance, AI has incorporated sea surface temperature data into ocean models, enhancing our understanding of ocean current speeds, something human researchers could not achieve alone. AI is also being used to create smart sewer systems that prevent flooding during heavy rainfall and develop drought-resistant crop. These advances show how AI is helping us adapt to changes in climate by providing more accurate and actionable insights. Number 2, drones for climate adaptation. These unmanned vehicles, UAVs, can cover large distances and be equipped with advanced cameras, sensors, and geopositioning systems. Drones are invaluable in adapting to climate change by collecting visual data on climate risks and impact. For example, businesses can use drones to monitor critical water sources, ensuring they're managed sustainably. In the aftermath of climate disasters, drones can also play a vital role in search and rescue operations, identifying affected communities in hard-to-reach areas and providing crucial information to emergency responders. Number 3, Earth observation in climate adaptation. This involves using satellite and other remote sensing technologies to gather data about changes on Earth. The vast volumes of data collected by these technologies are helping scientists develop new ways to manage planetary resources. For example, satellites from the European Space Agency have provided new insights into ice and freshwater resources. Earth observation is also essential for early warning systems, allowing to respond to hurricanes before they happen and save lives by giving communities time to prepare. Number 4, advanced computing for climate adaptation. This includes supercomputers and quantum computers, which offer enhanced accuracy and speed. Quantum computing is particularly promising for advancing climate modeling and adaptation because it can simulate processes like fluid dynamics that are crucial for weather forecasting. Supercomputers are also being made more accessible, enabling researchers and organizations to develop more accurate climate models and make better informed decisions about how to adapt to changing conditions. Number 5, the Internet of Things for climate adaptation. IoT technology connects devices to sensors, allowing them to communicate and share data. The connectivity is being used to gather new kinds of data, such as changes in air quality and temperature. For instance, sensors that detect wildfires can send alerts to people's mobile phones in affected areas. A company called PanoAI uses an IoT-based platform to monitor 5 million acres of land, detecting thousands of wildfires and providing critical information to fire professionals and emergency services. These technologies are helping us to respond more quickly and effectively to climate-related threats. And finally, number 6, augmented reality AR and virtual reality VR for climate adaptation. Augmented reality and virtual reality provide immersive experiences that can change our behavior around climate action and adaptation. By simulating the impact of climate change, VR headsets can show users a world with altered weather patterns and biodiversity loss. One example is the Climate Tipping Points Hub. It uses 3D simulations and VR experiences to illustrate the domino effect of climate change impacts, such as disappearing Arctic sea ice. These tools can help raise awareness and inspire action by making the consequences of climate change more tangible. As we face the challenges of climate change, these 6 technologies are paving the way to a more resilient future by harnessing the power of AI, drones, Earth observation, advanced computing, IoT, and AR and VR. We can better understand, predict, and respond to changes affecting our planet. You may have noticed that all technologies mentioned are for climate adaptation. So can any of these relatively new technologies help to stop or reduce human-made climate change? Or will the servers needed to run them just contribute to more of the same? Did we miss any technologies essential in adapting to climate change? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you next week. Bye.